Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about how getting dermatological therapy or treatment can improve your health whether you have skin, hair, nails conditions, or not. If you're in need of getting any kind of special care, the best thing to do is look for the professional help of a dermatologist who provides you with the most accurate therapy for your particular case. If you think your skin, nails, and hair are fine, you can always make them look better with a treatment that helps you renew their appearance and get you a younger look. We're proud to be the premier local dermatological service, and our doctors will carefully evaluate your case, so you can be sure to get the best and most adequate treatment for your condition or refreshing. We can approach the most common problems, and we'll always be willing to offer you a solution for your personal case. So contact us now to schedule a free, no-obligation consultation and let us take care of your health. Web Diversity Media will customize this video to match your needs.